Are you talking but no one can hear you on Discord? Fix it in under 30 seconds. Here's exactly how to change your input device. Just follow these 5 simple steps. First, open Discord on your computer. Then, join any voice channel or start a call so you can access the voice settings. Now, tap the drop-down arrow next to the microphone icon. From that menu, click on Input Device. Finally, select your preferred input device from the list, and you're all set. Enjoy your chat. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.